Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share a tutorial how to do voiceover on a Capcut application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just go open the Capcut application. Hold on until we arrive on the first page of a Capcut application, and here's the look when you already arrive on the Capcut application. And now you can start a new project by click the new project, or you can also use the previous project that you have. So today I would like to send the tutorial with my previous project. So here I already have the video, but there is no sound in this video. Okay, so we can add a sound by adding our own voice by doing a voiceover. So to do voiceover in CapCut, you just need to go take a look on this button feature here and just click into audio, and there will be appear several options for the audios. So you can choose a voiceover if you want to do voiceover, and now you just simply click this and hold to have a voiceover. When you click and hold, you can start talk in this video. Okay, let's have a try. Voiceover check, voiceover check. Okay, and after you finish and satisfied with the voiceover that you want to add into the video, you just need to go click done. And now let's have a try. Let's check the result. Voiceover check, voiceover check. Okay, so that's all the way how to do voiceover in the CapCut application. If you find that today's tutorial is quite useful and guide you so well, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.